Hello children, how are you all? In the previous class we completed about Mumbai, right children? Yes. Today I am going to start next lesson in social, that is next important city. Okay children, towards the south side. Okay, next important city towards south side. Until now what we have learned? Tell me. We have learned about north side important city Delhi, right? And west side important city Mumbai. North India Delhi, right? West India Mumbai. Today we are going to see about next important city in India, that is Chennai. Chennai is towards the south side children, right? Now look at this map children, right? Have you observed here where it is located? Yes. So Chennai is located in the state Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai. Right children? So it is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Where it is located? It lies towards the south side, right? Towards the south. Right children? So south, that to east side. Observe that? Yes. Towards south and east side. So southeastern part of India. Right children? Where it lies? Towards southeastern part of India. Right? And also where exactly located means that one we call it as coast, right children? Whenever the land is beside the water place, water body, big water body, right? That is Bay of Bengal is there. Okay. That towards the Bay of Bengal, the land part, we call it as coast. So it is exactly located, towards the Coromandel coast. Where it is located children? On the Coromandel coast. Okay, that part we call it as Coromandel coast. Right children? So, where it Chennai located? Chennai is located towards the southern part. Right? That to east side. Right? South eastern part of India. Right children? And also located towards the Coromandel coast. That coast we call it as Coromandel coast. Right children? Now, it is the capital of Chennai. Is the capital of, right? Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is one of the state, right? It is one of the state, right? In India. So, Tamil Nadu's capital is Chennai, right children? And also where it is located? Location. It lies in the south eastern side, right? Southeastern part of India, right children? And where exactly it is located? Chennai. Chennai is located on the Coromandel coast. Okay, that one we call it as coast. That has a name, that is Coromandel. Okay, located on the Coromandel coast. Remember this spelling children. Coromandel coast. Okay, understood? Yes. Now children, in every class about important cities, we are going to learn mainly 4 topics, right children? What are those? One is climate, right? And historical importance. Another one, major tourist attractions and living condition, isn't it? Yes, like that. Here also, for the Chennai children, Chennai also is having 4 important topics. Okay. Now, we'll see one by one. Okay, what are the 4 major topics in this lesson children? Yes, first one is climate. Okay. And second one is historical importance. Historical importance means what I said about history. Means about study of past. We call it as history. Okay, past means in ancient time. Okay, historical importance of Chennai. Okay, And another one is major tourist attractions. Means major means main. Main tourist attractions. Okay, means important places. Right, children? In Chennai. Next, last one is living. Living condition, right? Living in Chennai. These are the four main topics are there in this lesson, children. Today we are going to see again these two topics. What are those? Climate and historical importance of Chennai. Right, children? Now, first, climate. Now, tell me, children, in Mumbai and in the Delhi lesson, what we learn about climate? Their climate is so hot and cold in winters and hot in summers and rainy during the monsoon season, right? In various months like that. Here also, okay, the climate in Chennai is always, children, humid and warm. Okay, humid and warm throughout the year, means complete, okay, year we find this type of climate, right, children? Means humid and warm, hot climate. Now we'll see which months are so hottest. Okay, June and May. These 2 months are hottest months. Okay, children, hottest months in Chennai. We are learning about Chennai, right? So in Chennai the climate is humid and warm throughout the year, complete year. But June and May especially, those are very, very hot. Climate is so hot. So that's why those months are hottest months. And coming to January, okay, January and December. Right, children? January and December, these 2 months are coolest. Means very, very cool. These 2 months especially. Which months? December and January are so cool. Means winter months. Right, children? So coolest months. These 2 are so cool. Right? Now, remaining months means from October to December. Okay? Those all are, okay, monsoon. Nothing but rainfalls. Understood? Rainfalls in those months. Which months? From October to, okay, December we find rain. Understood? In these months, rainfall. Understood, children? Got it? Now, which are the hottest months in Chennai? Nothing but June and, okay, May. Now, coming to January and December, these 2 are so coolest. Okay, up to December and January. These 2 months are so coolest. But October to December means December, at that time it stops. Rain stops. After that, cool. Winter starts. Right, children? So, this is the climate in Chennai. Right? Now, coming to historical importance. Next topic is about historical importance. Okay? Now, history is nothing but study of past. Right, children? Study of past. Importance means which one is so important, right, in that Chennai. Now, historical importance. Now, if you see the history, Chennai is the old city, children. It is old city, very, very old. Okay. Why? Because it was ruled by, okay, famous rulers. Okay, once look at that picture. He will say, okay, comes under a famous ruler of Cholas. Okay, Cholas ruled Chennai. Okay, in the past, means history. Historical importance is nothing but some famous rulers ruled this place. Okay, Chennai. Cholas. Now, see the next picture. What you observe? Some, okay, members, they come to India, okay, mainly foreign people. Those are Portuguese. Who are those? Portuguese and Dutch people and also French people. These people, okay, and even English people, they come to India for trading. Okay, what is trading? Trading is nothing but children buying and selling. Okay, nothing but business, right? They come to India, right, children? In the ships. Once look at that picture. Yes. So here what happens? In the past, who ruled Chennai? Nothing but Cholas. Okay. And after that, Portuguese, Dutch and French and even English traders, okay, come to that place and visited that place. After that, okay, our India is under the control of British, isn't it? But British built first building in Chennai only. Once look at that picture, children. That is, okay, the first building built by the British people. Okay, that building name is, children, building is having a specific name given by that British people. That one we call it as, okay, look at here. That building name is Fort, what we call Fort Saint George. Okay, that building name is Fort Saint George. This one is the first building built by the British in India. Remember, which is the first building built by the British? Nothing but Fort Saint George. Remember, right, children? Have you understood up to here? Yes. Now, coming to next one. Next is Chennai is also, okay, important for mainly three are their children, three major centers. Chennai is the center for three main things. What are those? Economic, for economic and cultural, okay, and even educational. For these three, Chennai is the center, children. It is the center, okay, of India. Nothing but for the center for economic, center for the cultural activities, center for the education. Okay, so it is very important city, right, children? And one more thing, in South India, it is the main important city. Do you know, children? I already told you in the Mumbai lesson about film industry, right? All Bollywood. It is the center for Bollywood. Which one? Mumbai. Like that, Chennai is also, okay, it is also has large in film industry, children. Chennai is has large film industry. Nothing but so many in film industry means all the actors, so many actors are living over, okay, in Chennai also, right, children? So that's why it is the large film, it has a large film industry, right, children? And also so many industries are there, children, in this Chennai. Nothing but industries means factories, big factories, okay, many. It is a place for many industries. Understood? So mainly, look at this picture, children. What you find? Cars, right? It is a factory of, okay, manufacturing cars. Nothing but in that factory or in that industry, okay, mainly cars and vehicles are made in that factory. So that's why we call this Chennai is also center for, okay, it is also center for automobile. What it is? Automobile. Automobile is nothing but children, cars, all vehicles. We find so many vehicles are there, right? Bikes, scooties, all vehicles, autos, all those comes under automobile. Remember, automobile is nothing but all vehicles. Okay, so that's why those are manufactured. Manufactured means made, okay, in the factories. So many factories are there in the Chennai. Understood, children? So it is very successful, okay, for industries like automobile industries. Automobile industry means so many factories. Understood, right, children? And also, so that's why it has been called, means Chennai is continued to be called, okay, Detroit of India. Detroit of India or Asia. In Asia only it is the Detroit. Do you know the Detroit means very big city? Understood? Generally the Detroit name comes from the USA. Okay, it is one of the place in USA, so it looks like that. Understood? Once look at that picture. So it is nothing but Detroit. Okay, it has been called, which one? Chennai has been called Detroit of India. Have you understood, children? Yes. Now I'm going to show you a small video. Watch that video, children.
Chennai is situated on the east coast of India. It is the fourth largest city after Mumbai, Kolkata and Delhi. It is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Previously, it was called Madras. The East India Company was established at Chennai in 1639. The fort St. George was built in 1653, around which Georgetown grew. Georgetown is the old city. To the south of Georgetown is Annasalai. It is home to many offices. All the important offices of the state government are in Chennai. Chennai has a humid climate throughout the year. It gets more rainfall in winters. The coastal areas of the city experience pleasant sea breezes. Chennai is famous for its industries like cement, glassworks, iron, railway coach, petrochemical, textiles and apparels, automobile, etc. The famous tourist centers in the city are the Fort St. George, Santhome Church, Snake Park, Marina Beach. It is the longest beach in the country. Guindy National Park, Kapalishwar Temple, Sri Parthasarathi Temple, Government Museum, Belankani Shrine, Birla Planetarium, Konnimara Library with a collection of over 6 lakh books, Dakshin Charitra, etc. Chennai is also a port. The film industry in Chennai is very famous. It is the base for Tamil film industry known as Kollywood.
Have you watched the video, children? Is it clear now? Yes. Now we'll once again revise today's class. Okay. Tell me now here. Review zone. Nothing but fill in the blanks. Right. First one. Dash is the first building. First building built by the British in Chennai. Which building that is? Yes. In Chennai. Right. We are talking about Chennai. So it is the first building built by the British. Which building, children? Building name? Fort St. George. Right? Fort St. George. Next, Chennai is the capital of which state? Tell me, children. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Right? Tamil Nadu. Right, children? Yes. Now, Chennai is located in which part? Which side of India? Yes, south, right? Southern part of India. So, located in the southern part, right? Southern part of India. Have you understood up to here? Yes. We'll see the remaining topics in the next class, children. Until that, take care. Bye.